Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how the Heatless Curling Rod headband worked out. So this is me in the morning, no judgment. All right, so let's take it out together. You can see that it fell out just a little bit in the back. Now I've only used this one other time. I tried it during the day and then took it out in the late afternoon and had pretty good success with it. So I felt confident in sleeping with it. It's really pretty soft. It does have a wire running through it, but it didn't bother me at all when I was sleeping. So comfort score A+. Here I'm going to show you it's really soft, but then it bends so it forms to your head. It also allows you to sort of twist it together in the back like I had done. And you put those little hair twists on the end to hold it together, keep the ends of your hair on it. Now here I am pulling it out and I'm pretty happy with the results. So my hair is a little bit wavy, but not naturally curly. Again, I've only done this twice now, so I feel like I'll try to wrap the ends on maybe a little bit better, but overall I'm getting like Farrah Fawcett vibes. What do you guys think? Here's the back. And again, maybe not super even, but definitely adorable beach waves. I don't feel like they're too tight, and I've been wearing them all day today and I've been really happy with them. Super cute here on the side too.